welcome back. So today I'm starting off with like maybe 2 or 3 day old straightened hair. I know if you guys have been following me, I told y'all I was not going to be straightening my hair. Team no heat damage, that has went out the window. So nevertheless, I'm working today with Knappy hair extensions. They definitely sent me a package, as you can see, in this cute little it's kind of like a satin bag. I actually have a U-part wig, so I'm extremely excited about this. I was actually wanting to do a video on U-part wigs because I feel like it's kind of just like gone out the window as opposed to doing like those natural hair leave out quick weave. So this came like right on time. It is their straight texture. Of course, all of the details will be listed down in the description box below. Hopefully they give me like a coupon code. If they do, I'll make sure to put this in the clip of the video or in the description box as well. So definitely make sure to check that out. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Y'all, I feel like I'm so close up. Like my camera's really far away, but that's neither here nor there. I'm not really going to talk too much in this video because I will kind of make like a smaller clip, and I don't really like to see when people lips are going like you know, in the video. So nevertheless, what I'm going to be doing is parting out my hair. So first things first, you definitely want to see, kind of assess, do you want a middle part, do you want a side part, you know, deep side part, kind of go from there, because the U-part wigs look exactly like this. Let me show you. I need to brush it out, but here's the unit, fresh out of the bag, just really straight. It actually smells really good. I don't know what they washed it with, but it smells really, really good. And then, of course, it's not like your typical U-part where, like, if you made it at home, it actually has lace here. Obviously, we won't use the lace. Excuse me. But obviously, we won't be using the lace. What we will be using is scissors, yeah, to cut the lace out. So that's that. Basically, the whole point of them doing the lace method around the U-part area is so that you don't have to see the tracks. So if you have really, really short hair, this is great. I don't know if you guys remember, like a long time ago, it was really popular for people to have quick weaves, and they were doing like those invisible part methods where they lay the tracks, you know, literally side by side. I think Thomas Adriana, I loved her. Like, I love her. She's still alive. I don't know why I said it like that. But anywho, she was the queen of that. And so it really made your U-part or your quick weave look extremely flawless, just because everything laid the way it needed to. And your hair, if it was short, you can cover the tracks, because there were no tracks essentially, showing very easily. So I appreciate that. I'm going to go ahead and just cut this out. We do have about 4 combs. So we have 2 on this side and 2 on the other side. And then we also have 2 along the edges here, and then 1 in the back. And it's also adjustable, so you won't have to do anything extra to this. I won't be gluing it down, sewing it down, nothing at all. And my hair is straight. I'm not even going to braid it. I'm literally going to part out my area, put this in a ponytail, and go from there. Sorry y'all, I'm talking so much. Let's get into the video. Alright guys, so here is the unit. As you can see, everything's literally like cut, trimmed. This is freaking perfect. So what I want you also to realize, it's the same way when we do the quick weaves. You know, if you guys have been following me, you guys notice that I curve those tracks going upward. Perfect here, because they've already laid the tracks for you, and they've added the lace along the edges as well. Not for the intentions of it being like a lace frontal, no, but for the intentions of you not seeing a track, so when the wind does blow and you do have a little bit of leave out, everything will be covered. So this is going to be perfect, especially if you're a beginner and you really just have no clue what to do with wigs, but you don't want a wiggy look, you want something more natural. This is perfect. So when trying to determine how much hair you should leave out, I always say about 1 inch to 1.5 inches is going to be just enough. And then based off of how far apart this U-part is, if you guys can see that, I'm not sure. Here we go. That way, it actually looks like about 1 inch to 1.5 inches. And so if I was to pop this on, I want for my hair to literally be somewhere in between this. So this is just like a rough draft. I'm not actually putting the unit on, but this is so you guys understand, you know, what that would look like. So here we are. How much hair do I need to leave out? How far back can I part this? Totally up to you. I'm going to leave about a ½ inch around my perimeter out as well. So I don't want the track to start here, right? Does that make sense? I want it to start a little bit further back, which is fine. So I've parted off more than enough space for me to have about a ½ inch of leave out around the edges, and then also about an inch and a half going straight to the back. So take this off. Alright babe, so now that you have the unit on, this is pretty much what it looks like. As you can see, I have my part here, and this literally looks like that side part quick weave that I did. It was like pink. Now obviously I did not do anything to my edges, y'all, like at all. So I'm actually going to go ahead and take some of my Ebon Edge Control just to kind of touch them up just a bit. Literally it. So quick, so easy, straight to the point, y'all. I don't know what I got going on right now with these edges, but you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was definitely really quick, less than 5 minutes to install this. Really great for beginners, y'all. This hair feels really soft, and as you can see, my natural hair blended effortlessly, so you don't really have to do much in regards to that. But y'all, I love this. Definitely leave any comments or questions down below. I have all the clips in. They're all comfortable. The one comb in the back, of course, is perfect. And like I said before, they do have that adjustable band, so if you feel like it needs to be tighter, looser, just whatever makes you feel comfortable, you're able to do that. You can even pull this back into like a quick ponytail. So let me show y'all this. Look at that. And then I even like kind of, I guess, smooth back my edges on this side. so that everything literally looks flawless, just like a sew-in, just like a quick weave. So you guys can wear wigs and feel comfortable wearing them because you still get to kind of leave a version of you out, right? So that's definitely something that I appreciate, and like I said, I've been wanting to do a U-part wig for a little bit of time now, so that was perfect. But nevertheless, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely make sure to thumbs up, subscribe, leave any comments or questions down below. Thank you, Knappy Hair, for sending me this lovely unit. So I will see you guys in my next video. Stay pretty, all that jazz. Bye, babes.